Alright, so now that the alright, so now that the rings are filed and everything, I'm going to go ahead and assemble the pistons. Before I assemble the pistons, I'm going to measure them just to make sure that they're actually the correct weight, that they're balanced. Looks like Wiseco already did it. They're all labeled 301. Their scale is probably better than mine. Oops. Yeah, so even though I'm not getting 301, I am getting 300, and that's really what's important, is that I get a consistent reading. It doesn't have to necessarily match what the manufacturer measured. It just has to, they just all have to match each other. And 100 grams. So, if you're ever weary about, you know, dropping 500 on a set of pistons, this is probably one good reason why you should do it. The fact that they're all balanced from the factory makes life a lot easier. It means I don't have to take any material off of any of them. I don't have to do anything to make sure that they're balanced correctly. Alright. So, should probably make a clean work area here. Fairly clean. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put the rings on the piston. Before I do that, I'm going to clean the piston, or kind of clean it, you know, get it, make sure there's no dust in the rails or anything, or any type of particulate in the rails that's going to get trapped in there. Compressed air to blow that out. And take my ring set. And since I was using a diamond wheel, abrasive wheel, to size these, I'm just going to go ahead and spray all these down to make sure they're... Alright, so first ring to go on is going to be the oil expander ring. You don't need a tool to put these on, they go on fairly easily. And that goes on the very bottom. And you have these two rails, they are not directional. You're supposed to use a tool to put these on, but I just find it a lot easier to just twist these on. Even though I know you're not supposed to. But, damn fucking gloves. Seriously. But yeah, they're pretty easy to manipulate, so. So one goes on top of the expander, one goes below it. Slides right in there. Fucking son of a bitch. Then you have your second ring, your second compression ring. That of course goes on the second position. Didn't mean to do that, but whatever, it works. And you have your top ring.